So today we're going to talk about the DeWALT Automotive Jump Starter and USB Power Bank. And I'm going to go over with some of the details. But first, I do want to thank Baccus Global LLC for sending me this unit, again, at no charge to me, to give an honest review. So let's go ahead and get started. This has a very nice solid case. As you can see, it's very thick. I do believe I have the measurements right here. It is 3.5 inches wide by 7 inches high and 1 inch right here width right here. Like on the side right here. Yes, that's a flashlight. I'll get to that in a minute. So you want to charge your unit for 5 to 6 hours. Now I charged it for a little bit longer, but you turn the power on here and you see these lights light up right here. These lights. Now, that's good because it gives you the indication for your battery. And I actually have been using this all week. It has not gone down at all. I've been using it to charge my phone and my tablet a couple times. This is what's in the box right here, your power bank and automotive jump starter. So what comes with it, this actually shows you this. If the power's on, you push the button again and your flashlight comes on, and it's really, really, really super bright. Look how bright that is. Oh, it's so bright. I love it. I love it. It's a bright, bright light. It works really great at night. I should have a little video there showing in a second how bright it is at night. On one end here, it has the USB to C and the USB, and also it comes with your AC charger and your cable. So you're good to go when you plug this in and charge it. It also comes with the DC. It comes with the cigarette lighter adapter to plug that in if you're in your car. This thing slips right in my purse. It's very easy to go anywhere. And actually, when I had to take a family member to an appointment last week, I actually had this in my purse because I knew I was going to be watching shows on my phone, and I knew I was going to need it to help charge my phone back up. So that's what I did. Now, it also comes with the powder-coated metal clamps. Sorry about that. The powder-coated metal clamps right here. These are obviously to hook to your battery. There's going to be full instructions on how to do that. There's also plenty of videos as well. And this right here is what you plug into the actual device. So you're going to want to take it from the other end right here where it says engine start. And there's a special way to plug this in. And this is how you plug this in. On here, and obviously then you have your cables here. So it's going to be very close to the battery. It's not very long cables, but that's great because you want this right near your battery to be able to jumpstart your car. And boom, you're done. It's ready to go. You also have a lot of details here on the back. If you can see this on the back, it tells you a lot. There's a lot of details here about this unit, which really help for you to read, to take a look at. Right here again, here is the lights right here for the battery. This is the power button. There's your DeWALT, and a very, very nice thick case. I would say for myself, if you drop it, I'm sure it's not going to do much damage because this is really, really thick. This is really nice. I used to have material like that for my cell phones. So I'm going to go over some of the specifications right now. So the DeWALT 1600 peak amp lithium jump starter model DXAELJ16 is a portable jump starter and USB power bank on a small take-along size. Like I said, can fit right in your purse, ladies. 1600 peak amps of starting power instantly jumpstarts cars, trucks, up to 8 cylinders. That's really important. A lot of people do have 8 cylinders. I think my Mustang was. So it just depends, you know, but it's wonderful that you got that in there as far as 8 cylinders. You charge up the internal battery and get up to 35 jump starts, which I think is really great because a lot of times, like I said in my last video, a lot of times I could be somewhere in my car, may not start. And it's great to just have this with you in case of emergencies like that, because what if you don't have a phone? What if you have no way to contact someone to come and rescue you? And the powder-coated metal clamps, like I talked about. The reverse polarity protection assures that jumper cables are connected correctly. The mini power pack features 3.1 amp and USB-C charging ports. A fully charged battery can charge up a tablet, 19 AirPods, 2 small phones, 25 smartwatches, 6 cameras, etc. So you kind of get the point. So you can kind of see how that goes. But I've been using this all week now, and I've been charging my phone, my tablet a couple times. I've been charging my phone. The battery indicator has not gone down, which is really a good thing. So, of course, that does matter on the frequency of use and what you're charging, or if you're jumping your car. I would suggest trying to charge it back as soon as possible. So like I said, it includes the AC, DC, and USB adapters to help you recharge the lithium battery from practically anywhere. It includes this lovely little bag. It includes this bag right here that everything fits into from DeWALT right there. How wonderful. And it's compact size. The jump starter is easily stored for power when you need it. Now, we do a lot of having, power stations and things like that. But this is perfect. I'm going to show you guys in a minute what I'm talking about. So sit right there. I'm going to show you guys in a minute what I'm talking about. So it does say that the rechargeable lithium battery charges up in as little as 5 hours and could last as much as 6 months. And again, I'm sure that depends on the usage or what you're using it for. So it does say always connect the 120 volt AC USB charging adapter to the 120 volt AC power source before connecting the unit. That's very important that we see that. You want to be able to do exactly what it says for it to work. I'm also been having some visuals next to me here on the video showing exactly what comes with the unit and what it actually does. And this is really, really nice. And I'm going to show you right now what I was talking about. Give me a second. Oh, here's my purse. And look. Right here. Right in the purse. Right like that. See? Or I can put it sideways or a side pocket, and there you go. There, it's in your purse. And you take it with you, you go. It's right there. It's very, very light. And I can go in a side pocket. Can actually, oh, what's that? I haven't emptied my purse in a while. So yes, this right here, this is great. Look at, this is a standard purse right here. So you can see it's going to go in there just fine. You can take it anywhere with you. This is my go-to product, especially on the go. There's a lot of times that I have to drive to Los Angeles. I gotta drive pretty far. So I do not actually have, I don't have a cable for my phone for my car, but this would be perfect because I do have the USB to C for my phone, and I can just pull this out of the purse and plug it in, and I'm good to go. And by the time I get there, it'll be fully charged. So that's a really wonderful thing too. I really love having the ports on there. I really love that it comes with the AC charger and the cable. It comes with everything you really need, everything you need. This is really a nice unit, and it's really, really a nice, rugged unit. I'm very impressed by this. Again, it's the DeWALT 1600 amp lithium jump starter and USB power. This right here is a great unit. I wish you guys would check it out. I am putting a link in the description for this, and you guys be sure to check out DeWALT. They have some amazing, amazing products. I couldn't be happier with this. This is great. I'm really happy by it. Like I said, I've had this for about a week, and I've used it to charge my phone, charge my tablet. I do like to watch shows when I'm on the go. So that's, well, maybe a lot of us do, but gosh, for anything really, or again, mainly for jumping the car. I can't stress enough that sometimes, not all of us have towing, and we may need to do this on our own. And this is a wonderful thing to be able to jump the car when you need it if your battery goes out. So I want everyone to take a look at the description, check out DeWALT, check out their products, and let me know if you guys have had any experiences with this product or any of the other DeWALT products. Let me know in the comment section. And I want to say thank you so much for coming by today. And I want to say be kind to others, Share a smile. You just might make someone's day.